I am Silvana, Birchenough, marine ecologist and also program director of the Bluebell program at CFAS. Today I want to talk to you about climate change and the work we're doing in collaboration with overseas territories. Each of the Bluebell program overseas territories face their own unique challenges and impacts when it comes to climate change. We work in partnerships with the overseas territories to build scientific understanding, but also awareness of the potential impacts when it comes to climate across species and habitats. To inform our work, we have a number of projects which help us to collect real-time data from overseas territories' marine environments. Some of the examples include the Global Ocean Wildlife Analysis Network and also the Discovery Expeditions. In the past, we've done 2 expeditions. Soon we're due to do another one at the end of this year, which will enable us to collect real data sets in real time. We use these data sets to create easily accessible reports on climate change, impacts and mitigation strategies. Recently, we have compiled the Climate Change Coral Report Card, which has enabled us to provide the current knowledge, but also climate change adaptation and mitigation strategies across Pitcairn and Biot Islands.
The oceans are essential to life on Earth, providing over half of the oxygen that we breathe. So by protecting the oceans, we also help to build resilience to climate change. My name's Jo Stockill and I'm the head of the Blue Belt programme at the Marine Management Organisation. And we're working with UK overseas territories to enhance protection for over 4 million square kilometres of ocean. So marine protected areas are an example of nature-based solutions which play a crucial role in helping protect biodiversity loss and also reduce impacts of climate change. We're working through the programme with the overseas territories to establish climate-smart MPAs to help build resilience to climate change, for example by protecting blue carbon habitats, which help to capture and store atmospheric carbon dioxide and then store it for the future. These climate-smart MPAs are also really important for the local communities because they can help build resilience to climate change impacts, for example by protecting coastal habitats that help to decrease the effects of increased storminess and sea level rise. The Pitcairn Islands have recently published their Marine Protected Area Management Plan, which further demonstrates their commitment to ocean and climate protection and 30 by 30. And in the management plan, they say about the importance of the Henderson Islands being one of the best remaining examples of an elevated coral atoll. And the extreme water clarity there means that corals can actually grow at deeper depths than most other places in the Pacific. It's also thought that the Ducie Island coral reefs are much more resilient to climate change. So not only are the overseas territories protecting their own unique ecosystems, but they're also providing us with information to help us tackle climate change on a global scale.